Hello. My name is Jack. I am 30 years old. I live in a small house with my family. My family is very important to me. I want to tell you about my life, my family, and my adventures. I will also tell you about my success in life. At the end, I will say goodbye to you. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have a wonderful family. My family is small but full of love. There are 4 people in my family. I have my father, my mother, and my sister. My father's name is John. He is 60 years old. He is a very kind man. He likes to read books and go for walks. He teaches me a lot about life. He always says, "Work hard, and you will succeed." I listen to him because he is wise. My mother's name is Mary. She is 55 years old. My mother is a very smart woman. She loves to cook delicious food. My favorite food is her homemade apple pie. It is sweet and tasty. My mother always helps me when I have a problem. She listens to me and gives me good advice. I also have a younger sister. Her name is Emma. She is 25 years old. She is very smart and funny. Emma is also a teacher. She teaches little children. The children love her because she is very kind. She also loves to play the piano. Sometimes, she plays the piano for us in the evening. We sit and listen. It is very relaxing. I am 30 years old, and I work as a software developer. I write programs for computers. I really enjoy my job. I started working when I was 22 years old. At first, it was hard. I didn't know many things. But I wanted to learn. So, I studied a lot. I read many books and practiced every day. Slowly, I got better and better. After 2 years, I became very good at my job. I can now write programs quickly and easily. I also help other people at my job. My friends often ask me for advice. I am always happy to help. I believe it is important to help others. This makes me feel good. I am proud of my success in my job. I know that hard work helps me achieve my goals. I have many hobbies. My favorite hobby is climbing mountains. I love to go on adventures in nature. The first time I climbed a mountain was when I was 18 years old. It was very exciting. I was with my friends. We walked for hours. The mountain was very tall. We were tired, but we did not stop. We wanted to reach the top. It was hard, but we worked together. Finally, after many hours, we reached the top. The view from the top was beautiful. We could see everything. It was amazing. Since then, I have climbed many mountains. Every mountain is different. Some mountains are easy to climb, and some are hard. But I love every adventure. When I climb, I feel free. I feel strong. I also learn a lot from climbing. I learn how to be patient and how to solve problems. When I face a big rock, I think, how can I climb over this? Sometimes I go left. Sometimes I go right. I always find a way. This is like life. In life, we have problems, but we can find a way to solve them if we try hard. I also love nature. When I climb, I see many animals and plants. I see birds flying in the sky. I hear the sound of the wind in the trees. I feel the fresh air on my face. It is very peaceful. After a long day of climbing, I feel happy and relaxed. In winter, I like to ski. Skiing is a lot of fun. I go to the mountains with my friends, and we ski all day. The snow is white and soft. We slide down the mountain very fast. It feels like flying. After skiing, we drink hot chocolate together. It is a great way to end the day. I have learned many things in my 30 years. One thing I know is that success comes from hard work. When I was a child, I wanted to be successful. I wanted to have a good job, a happy family, and many adventures. I worked hard for these things. I studied in school, I practiced my skills, and I always tried to be a better person. Now, I have a good job. I help my family, and I go on exciting adventures. I feel proud of what I have done. But I also know that I must keep working hard. Life is not easy, but I enjoy it. Every day is a new chance to learn something new. I believe that everyone can be successful. You just need to have a goal, work hard, and never give up. Sometimes things are difficult, but that is okay. Difficult things make us stronger. They teach us important lessons. Let me tell you about one special adventure. One day, I went on a mountain climb with my best friend. The weather was good, and we were happy. We started early in the morning. The mountain was very high, and we were excited to reach the top. But halfway up, something happened. The weather changed. The sky became dark, and it started to rain. The wind was strong, and we were cold. We did not know what to do. My friend said, maybe we should go back. But I thought, no, we can do this. We are strong. We can find a way. So, we continued to climb. The rain made the rocks slippery. We had to be very careful. Slowly, we moved up the mountain. It was hard, but we did not stop. After many hours, we finally reached the top. We were tired, but we were happy. We felt proud because we did not give up. That day, I learned that we can do anything if we try hard and believe in ourselves. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to tell you about my family, my work, and my adventures. I also wanted to share my success with you. I hope you learned something from my story. Remember, Life is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it is hard, but if you keep going, you will reach the top. You just need to believe in yourself and work hard.
Goodbye.
For now. I wish you success in your life. Keep climbing your own mountains, and never give up.